got a fig harvest this afternoon. It's time, y'all. Haircut time, yes. Jonah wanted to go with the long look, like Tyler and Titus,
I like it.
Yeah, his hair, I don't know. The long look, it's like going out this way more than down. So we're thinking haircuts, probably today, maybe tomorrow, but it's definitely time to bring up the fall stuff. We're at least bringing it up today so I can look at it and see what all I have and start thinking about where I want to put everything. It's also time to do away with the garden. We're hardly getting any peppers, no more tomatoes. The okra, I thought it would really start doing good whenever I cleaned it up, you know, and got all the really big ones off, but I guess it was too late because we're not getting much on there at all. So I think we'll clean all this up this weekend too. There's Jonah's flaming bicycle right there. He painted it white, or Raptor lined it?
Yeah.
Is this fall? Yeah, this is spring and fall. It says spring and fall. Let's see.
Can we take them up there?
Yeah, take it down. Let's see what's in there. This says fall. That's Christmas. That's Christmas / winter. This is Christmas. What is this one? Can you tell? Does it say fall? Oh yeah, it's fall. I can see pumpkins.
Okay,
so we need that green one, that one, and this one. The rest are Christmas. I put no don't throw away all over my boxes, y'all remember, last fall because I didn't want these to accidentally get thrown away. We'll take them up here to the porch and dust them off before we take them in because they have a lot of dirt and stuff on them. There are those shop towels y'all kept saying got thrown away. Let's see what's in here. Big old Happy Thanksgiving pumpkin. Whose was this? I can't remember. Yours or Sissy's?
That was Sissy's. I remember her doing that.
Sunset Pumpkin Patch.
Oh, Together Around the Table song. It's a classic. Do you want me to keep it or?
Yeah, we'll keep it. It's a classic. And some, there's a little bee flying around me. There's a fall wreath. Come on now, everybody. Come on, Miss Turkey. You're gonna go back in? Okay. Really pretty ones again. A pink speckled, a blue, a green, and some browns. Jake's about to chance it to his truck. Go, Jake, go! Look at those two limbs just fell.
They need Jake's truck.
He's moving it.
Better move it.
I was just about to start the beef ragu in the Instant Pot, and the power went out.
Well, the power.
Everybody gets excited when the power goes out. Power's warming up by now.
Power. Oh, yay! Yay! Or I'm staying out here.
Thankfully, the power came back on.
Oh, I should have stayed off.
Jonah and Manly wish it would have stayed off. I've got some olive oil in the Instant Pot. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on to saute. When we get the celery chopped up, we're gonna put the celery, onions, and garlic in there. Let it be cooking while we slice up the, what are we using, a chuck roast? Yeah, this recipe calls for a chuck roast, boneless chuck roast. Oh, this is beef ragu. I can't even remember if I said what we're making. Instant Pot beef ragu. We're gonna cook the noodles when this is almost done. We're just gonna use egg noodles because I couldn't find the kind that the recipe called for, so we're just going with some egg noodles. Okay, Sissy's stirring the celery and all. I'm going to slice up the meat. We're just going to cut it into little cubes. About that big. I almost forgot the carrots. We're gonna dump those in. I just have these matchsticks carrots. We're adding in the meat. Okay, so this is gonna pour in a 28-ounce can of stewed tomatoes. And a 14.5-ounce can of beef broth. And then I'm going to fill this about halfway with water. Now we're putting in some black pepper, about half a teaspoon. I'm just going to eyeball it. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of cinnamon. You want to do that, Sissy?
Yeah.
But I still have this on saute at the moment. When we get everything mixed in, we'll cancel that and put the top on and do the pressure cook. Now she's putting in 2 teaspoons of allspice, and then we just need a dash of thyme. That's good. Sissy's gonna mix that together, and then we put the top on and cook it on high pressure for 35 minutes, and we'll let it do a 10-minute slow release. When we get down to about 30 minutes or 5 minutes left on the cook time, I'll start the egg noodles. Okay, y'all, update on the Aldi, I don't even remember, Intertech, is that what this one was called? I don't see a name anywhere else, but it's the $30 stick vacuum that we got from Aldi. Watch this, you see this piece of whatever that is right there? Now you still see it.
y'all.
Wait a minute, give it a minute.
Now look at that stick. Trying to pick up a little bitty stick.
Hang on, maybe Sissy has it on something else. What's the thing? Here, now let's try it. Now we got it. Oh wait.
Now keep looking, we're gonna get it.
Hang on.
If you got a clean floor, you can vacuum with this thing.
Here it goes.
Look at that.
It works for quick pickup, you know? Like if somebody crushes up a little bear cookie or something on the floor. If anybody does that, this will get it up, right? I just emptied it, so that's all new. New fuzzies and all in there.
It didn't get that what she thought it got either. It's just waiting to come right back out. It's staying right there, everybody. Let's just put her where it's at. Don't get that on your Aldi fan.
I'm not giving up.
That thing ain't picking nothing up, y'all.
I got more steak.
Yeah.
It smells really good in here, y'all.
Gotta be honest with you right here.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna work.
Leave out the cinnamon.
Leave out the cinnamon.
And maybe add some,
The beef's okay. It's still getting a little cinnamon hint there.
yeah, leave out the cinnamon. Or maybe we just don't like beef ragu.
We gotta be honest with you.
We like beef stew.
Yeah. That right there ain't gonna work. We're gonna eat it, but it's not.
A make again.
We ain't gonna make this again. We ain't making this again.
Okay, y'all, the kids are saying that they don't hate it, especially Tyler. He says he actually kind of likes the cinnamon. So I think Jonah and Sissy mostly like the egg noodles. We'll just call this a make at your own risk one. They also had an Italian recipe for beef ragu. It was an Italian beef ragu. I should have went with that one, but this one had good reviews, so I thought we would try it. I mean, it's not terrible. You just, yeah, you really gotta like that cinnamon flavor in there. And it could be the allspice too that's throwing it off for us. now to check out the fall things. Kitchen towels. How come they never have one that's like my favorite pumpkins called me Mama? I mean,
This
you
one
know.
here says grateful. No,
Grateful
family together. This is gonna make a sentence.
Harvest. See, Grammy's kitchen. Why can't there be a Mama's kitchen?
The pumpkin spice and everything nice.
That's cute.
I added that last deal. This says pumpkin spice. Now, can't you see us proper drinking this?
Hot tea too.
Hot tea, what I'm talking about.
There, this is a soup bowl now, right? I mean, that's a soup bowl. There's no way that's a coffee mug. But that is cute.
I don't know. Somebody might get bold. You know what I mean?
It's over here with the coffee mugs.
Bring me a gray horse down there while I'm drinking my coffee. Yeah, try this one right here and see what that smells like. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That smells real good. Yeah, that's nice. About everybody that comes by wants to hit that turkey. I think everybody's just trying to get in the fall spirit,
This
Mama.
looks like Grandma made this for us.
It does, but I'd have to go make you a table for that, which I can do. You want it?
No, it's okay.
We
changed-
traded the one that she's seen because she likes this one better.
Yeah, I think Grandma, that one's for another grandchild.
Yeah.
This one's for us.
Everybody, we thought while we were over here, we'd go ahead and take you into Ross. Dress for less.
They got this happy harvest and give thanks signs. That's a pretty leaf. That's only $6.99.
You gonna get that?
Yeah, do we like this one or the darker one?
It don't matter, baby. They're both
I think this
pretty
one's
similar.
good. Yeah. They got some speckled pots and stuff here too.
Grazie,